सर की थ्रेड सर्जरी की थी, इन्वेजिव थ्रेड सर्जरी, जिसके द्वारा फोरहेड, ब्रो लिफ्ट ये दिया था। आज सर को मैं बोलूंगी तो सर नहीं कराएंगे, वीनस फ्रीज ही कराएंगे।
Venus freeze gives excellent result. If you compare it with this threading,
सर्जरी
it's totally painless. And when I was given this treatment, I was sleeping actually. Totally painless.
very nice.
My skin has become tight, you know.
Sir, do you feel more confident?
Yes, yes.
Naturally.
People tell me I look young. I don't say. But the other people who see my face, they say I look young.
And mentally also you get more strong.
And
Your
Venus
confidence
freeze,
level always grows
Maybe
with
after a
that.
few years, both will be compared as brothers.
So if I don't take Venus, I will look aged.
If you don't take
Papa
Venus
is
freeze,
used to you.
and Venus freeze eliminates all of those risks and
Yes.
downtime. So somebody can do this during their lunchtime. They can
Yes.
also do this and go back to work, and they
Back to
can't
work.
do that with other technologies because they're
Time
red, they're
span is
swollen,
less.
they're in pain, they don't feel comfortable, or they don't look appreciable, so they have to wait a period of time. This you can go back to work and no one knows, you look actually fresher, you look like you had a
Oh,
lunchtime
great.
nap.
Routine.
बहुत अच्छा जो
routine time.
ट्रेसी ने बताया कि लंच आवर के दरमियान ये प्रोसीजर होगा, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपने कराया है। इमीडिएटली आप ऑफिस जाओगे और अपना
You get back to work.
इमीडिएटली ट्रीटमेंट के बाद हम लोग अपना काम रिज्यूम कर सकते हैं, ऑफिस जा सकते हैं। एक फेस के ऊपर फ्रेशनेस लगेगी, मोर यूथफुल लगेगा और आपको एक अच्छा सा दिखाव मिलेगा। बस कोई पेन नहीं है, करा के तुरंत आप चले जाइए,
So we can-
ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है
Yes,
इसके
time
अंदर।
saving also.
Yes, time saving for people who
Time
are
saving for
yes,
working persons.
for working people who cannot come very regularly for other surgeries. They are so happy. आधे घंटे
And you
में
get
हो
back to
जाएगा।
your routine life also.
Yes,
Exactly,
yes.
your
Yes.
children, your
Yes.
Can I
family.
also do
Correct.
that when I have to attend some professional meetings and
Yeah,
functions
TV
or
shows.
You know,
TV shows or some?
I'll tell you,
Young
Dr.
people
Lancer,
marriage also.
Yes,
One
yes,
can take
sir.
this
weddings.
treatment.
Yes.
Dr. Lancer
For
in
weddings.
Hollywood, he treats the red carpet stars, and he treats them right before an event. Because your
Okay.
skin has such a glow after the treatment,
Great.
he likes to treat them right before the event.
Right
So an
before
hour
the
or
event.
two
Wow.
before, their skin looks so beautiful, they put on their makeup, they have no fine
It's a new
lines,
makeover.
they look fresh. So it's a little trick from Hollywood.
ट्रेसी ने वो हॉलीवुड की एक बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक बता दी है कि वहाँ रेड कारपेट के ऊपर जो भी चलते हैं स्टार्स, हॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज, एमी अवार्ड्स है वगैरह में, पूरे दिन ट्रीटमेंट चालू रहती है। वीनस फ्रीज मशीन पूरे दिन चालू रहता है। जो स्टेज पर जाते हैं, ट्रीटमेंट होता है, इमीडिएटली मेकअप करके स्टेज पर जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनको एक यूथफुल, फ्रेश लुकिंग, ग्लोइंग फेस मिलता है। इससे अच्छा क्या मिलेगा हमें साइंस की ओर से?
But what you're saying, that's true. See, all women wants to be young.
Absolutely.
Right? And men,
men too.
men too. I'm not talking about the man, I'm talking about me. Because I want to look young. I want to look beautiful till 50. My age is 38 right now. I just want to know ki, when we do the treatment, how long it keeps, and is there anything ki, we have to think about the diet or something like that? Or this we are satisfied with this treatment only? I just want to know that, because see, if you talk about the internationals, that climate is totally different, and if you talk about the India, your climate is totally different. So I just want to know ki, if we do the treatment, then what will be the result later on?
The thing is with the Venus freeze, and with anything you do, whether it's surgery or it's another technology, there's maintenance, because we haven't stopped aging. I wish we could stop aging. We freeze time, and we turn back the age of time, but you still have maintenance. And it's very small though. Many technologies, what they require you to do is every few months you have to repeat the entire process. With Venus freeze, that's not the case. What you're going to do to maintain and your results, you're going to do one treatment every 2 to 3 months, if you like. Now, my patients, I'm going to tell you, they come back every month, just because they like the feeling. Each result as well, after each treatment, you're going to see the full results of that treatment approximately 2 to 3 months down the road. So if you have a treatment in January, 2 to 3 months, you see the results. February, 2 to 3 months. So for myself, I even do my treatments, and I do my treatments I do them once a month. First of all, I like the treatment.
3 months, but
Exactly, by the time
it will
the summer
last for
comes
3
in.
months.
Exactly.
Minimum.
And it gives me a nice fresh glow. I travel a lot, so I don't want to look tired. And that makes a big difference in it. And to address your other question as well, is absolutely this is a totally different environment than I would say even the rest of the world. First of all, your skin type is different and it retains heat more, which means you're actually going to get a better result.
Yes.
That's kind of good news, right?
Yes, thank you.
So along with getting a better result, you're also going to find that your results are much more dramatic when you see those results. But you want to maintain them, and I can't stress that enough because who doesn't want to keep looking good, right?
Great.
Now, as far as diet, you don't have to change a thing, but what I don't want you to do is to decide that you can eat a little bit more because you're going through a weight loss program. We all give ourselves those leeway. So I want you to change nothing in your diet. If you want to accelerate your fat loss, you certainly can, combine that with a weight loss program. And many people do, because as you lose weight, your tissue doesn't necessarily keep up with you and it gets lax. So quite often you'll want something that's going to tighten that tissue up. But I wouldn't necessarily say you have to do that. You want to keep drinking water, especially in the
Yes.
summer though. You
Yes.
don't want to be dehydrated.
ग्रेट ट्रेसी ने बहुत अच्छा बताया कि ट्रीटमेंट इंडिया के अंदर वेदर पूरा अलग है. यहाँ गर्मी है, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में उतना तापमान नहीं है, वहाँ पे ठंडी रहती है ज्यादातर. हमारी बॉडी के लिए सबसे अच्छा क्या है, हमारी स्किन टाइप में स्किन के अंदर हीटिंग ज्यादा देर तक और अच्छी मात्रा में रिटेन रहेगी. तो उनके हिसाब से उनका एक्सपीरियंस जो है पिछले इतने सालों का कि इंडियन स्किन में रिजल्ट और अच्छा मिलेगा. सो वी आर लकी एंड थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर जॉय कि उन्होंने वीनस फ्रीज इंडिया में लॉन्च कर दिया. और हॉलीवुड की जो ट्रीटमेंट है, पहले ऐसा था कि सिर्फ यूएसए में सेलिब्रिटी ले सकती है, आज हम सब ले सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया में टेक्नोलॉजी आने में 10-15 साल लगेंगे. ही ब्रॉट इट राइट अवे. एक साल में वो यूएसए में जो अभी मोस्ट पॉपुलर है, हॉट है टेक्नोलॉजी, उसे इंडिया में लेकर आए. बराबर. अच्छा, दूसरा उन्होंने बताया डाइट के बारे में. आपको अपना डाइट चेंज नहीं करना है हेमा जी. अगर आप क्रैश वेट लॉस वगैरह कुछ भी साथ में कर रहे हैं, आपको वेट लॉस करना है, हाँ थोड़ा सा जो भी फूड प्रोसेस है आपका उसका 6 to 8 पोर्शंस में डिवाइड कर दीजिए, वरना डाइटिंग की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाँ, एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपको पानी पीना है. मिनिमम 6, 8, 10, 12 ग्लासेस इन अ डे. 24 आवर्स के अंदर हमें अगर हो सके तो 2 से 3 लीटर पानी पीना चाहिए, क्योंकि गर्मी ज़्यादा है, बॉडी डिहाइड्रेट नहीं होनी चाहिए. और मेंटेनेंस का आपने पूछा, हम सबको अच्छा दिखे फेस, ऐसा तो पसंद ही है. हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट जो करेंगे, आपका लास्ट ट्रीटमेंट होगा, उसके 1, 2, 3 महीने तक इफेक्ट दिखती रहेगी और बढ़ती जाएगी. आपकी जब इच्छा है तब कराइए. कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आप हर महीने पे एक ट्रीटमेंट लीजिए. नो, 2-3 महीने में एक बार लीजिए. घर में कुछ वेडिंग है, फंक्शन है आपके घर में, वीकेंड में कुछ पार्टी है, आपके यहाँ पे गेट टुगेदर है, कुछ ओकेजन है, अभी मुझे टीवी शो के लिए जाना है तो मैं ट्रीटमेंट करके जाऊंगी. सो आई लुक मोर यूथफुल, मोर फ्रेश, ग्लोइंग. तो आप जब भी आपकी इच्छा है तब ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. लेकिन आप लोगे तो डेफिनेटली स्किन के लिए और बॉडी के लिए अच्छा रहेगा.